guys, welcome to My Scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's me again, Marissa. I hope everyone is doing well and that you are being safe and keeping everyone safe around you. And this is the announcement for the winner of our $25 digital gift card from Michaels. You guys, so I had 13 comments and one of those comments is mine, and I went through all the 13 comments, actually 12 comments, and there are 9 ladies who qualified. I did ask for 3 items to be in the comments. One is that you have subscribed. 2 is that you had shared the video in any social platform. And you guys, I trust you guys. Scrappers, paper crafters, card makers are very honest people, and I will not even check whether you shared it or not. The third item that I ask is how you're keeping everyone safe. And you guys, thank you so much for doing that. I'm so excited. These are the entries. There are 9 ladies who, I hope they're ladies, who had qualified for our $25 digital gift cards from Michaels. So, are you guys ready? I'm excited to see who's gonna win. So I'm just, mixing it all up here. And so here is our lucky winner. And it's Sue Morrison. Congratulations, Sue. I'm really excited that you won. Please email me at myscrappiness@yahoo.com. Just send me the email. I think I'll also need a phone number if you could. I'd really appreciate that. I'm not gonna call you. I'll probably just text you and let you know that the digital card is on its way to you. And if I understand it correctly, the digital card will come through you to your email too. So Sue Morrison, yay! Congratulations again. And you guys, I will have more giveaways as we move on, and every maybe in some of the hauls during some of my videos I will have some small hauls here and there, not a lot, but it's gonna be a surprise, so you have to watch it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for subscribing. You guys are awesome, and thank you. Like I said, you'll see some simple layouts, you'll see some simple projects, because that's what I am, just a simple girl, and share you guys what I make, and hopefully you enjoy them. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much. And Sue Morrison, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Anyway, that's it for now, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.